everyone, we are now here in Wat Pariwat. Yeah, so it's one of the hidden tourist spots as well in Thailand or in Bangkok. So it's kind of like an unusual temple because when I say unusual, because you would see that, right? That, and then like there's a lot of like an animal head and then a human body, something like that. Just like this one and that one and that one as well. Yeah, so I actually found out that this is, like a hidden tourist spot. Like not so many tourists know about this place. See? And look at the details, right? Like it's so nice. Just look at the details of that. It's so nice. You see? It's really so beautiful. Wow. Look at that. Like I'm really, I go crazy visiting a temple in Thailand because it's really so nice. It's colorful, it's shiny, it's golden, Oh, there's Batman. Yeah, so they say that this is also, like an unusual temple because you would see Batman there. I'm not sure if you can see it. Let's get closer. There. So there's Batman there. Can you see that one? That's Batman. And then, yeah, there are some rock stars over up there. And then there's what do you call it? No, like the one in the Aladdin. I'm not sure what is it. And there's a rabbit. Oh, this is so nice. Like it's really so amazing. It's so cool. It's really a nice temple. So nice. So I have lions here. See lions here. And then I think this one is also a nice temple, but they are renovating it. I think it's also like the same, like unusual temple. Yeah, it's so cool. I wonder if we can take video inside. But let's try. Let's go, Levy. This is so nice. And look at that, right? The details. So nice. I don't know if it's allowed or no. But see, that's Wolverine. And then there's a Superman there. See, this one is. Well, let's go to Batman. I think I can. And this one is really nice, like the details. See? Can you see that? Right? Oh my god. Like it's really so nice. I think it's made of tiles. And then there's Batman. So cool. Let's go there. So I'm not sure if we can find them. They said that this one is also called David Beckham Temple. Lavi, is it David Beckham Temple?
It's known as that, yeah.
Yeah, so something like that. It's known as that. It's so nice. It's really pretty. but we can't find David Beckham. Maybe David Beckham is inside. Maybe he's up there.
I've been looking up there too.
Man, look at that paint. It's so nice. Man. So nice. Where? I'm trying to find David Beckham because you know they said that there are some celebrity icons or superheroes or whatever. So there's Pinocchio. Let's see. So there's Pinocchio and Mickey Mouse. And there is no David Beckham. David Beckham. I can't find a David Beckham, but there's Superman. And yeah, I don't think we're gonna find a David Beckham. Hey everyone! So tonight it's around 6 p.m. So we're going to Jod's Market, which is a night market here in Bangkok. So I'm going to show you their food, like what they are selling, and everything that we can buy there. So see you soon! Alright, so we are now here in the Jody's night market, right?
Yep.
Or Jody's
Jod
Park.
Fair.
Or Jod.
Jod Fairs.
Jod Fairs. So that's the name there. Oh, look at this. You know what you're doing here. So good. So vamos, Lavi. So yeah, they have variety of shops. So they have foods and they also sell clothes, shoes. Yeah, it's kind of like what do you call it? It's like Yehuda, right? Like Yehuda market as well, because they sell shoes, they sell clothes, they sell foods, everything.
Maybe for your audience, tell them it's like a Rojas.
Yeah.
Oh, that was on the video, right?
Yes. So the lights are going like this again. Thank you. Wow, look at this fence. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh, it's so heavy.
It looks terrible.
Lovey, you see that? What the heck? It's heavy, but I think it's nice. And this one is small.
You want to walk down this way?
I guess so.
Hello bot, chili po bot, seafood fry rice tong yum hai bot.
Hello sir, welcome to Thailand.
Đây đi ngon mà rồi tình nha. Sao mà? Tại sao mà? Bạn chỉ quay là bạn. Bạn đã nè.
好吃，真好吃，绝！
땡기는데 더 약간 기다려야 돼.
Give it.
니나
get over your fears and interview somebody?
No, it's okay.
Are you sure?
Not now.
Why not?
I don't know. Ay, yun yan. So yeah, there's a variety of restaurants and food, coconut. Dali, oh, you buy na din.
Book?
Yes.
You want a book?
Si, por favor. Hi!
You want to share a big one or what?
So 40
You want to try a blended one where they put all the ice and the cocoa in there?
without milk.
Yeah, without milk.
Okay.
Blended, large, no milk. Okay. 60? We got a hair right here. Didn't get it. Didn't get it.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Oh yeah, I heard about this.
What are the small shrimps?
You just eat it just like that.
Takoyaki สั่งได้ค่ะ
这么一个，
That's why you want it.
So we are now on the Sky Bar, 55th floor. So this is located in the Central World. So it's a red Sky Bar lobby, right?
Red Sky Restaurant.
Oh my gosh, it's so nice. Look at the view. But yeah, so that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you do like it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and follow all my social media below. Once again, this is Seth reminding you all to stay golden.